Thank you so much for joining me today. If we haven't met yet, my name is Amanda and I am an online systems strategist. So what I do is design workflows to help coaches, creatives, online entrepreneurs work less. So what that is just basically implementing the proper workflows and systems in the back end of your business so that you can focus on your zone of genius, all those revenue generating activities. So with all the seriousness that is happening in the world right now, I thought it would be neat to do something fun and show you how to embed a GIF inside your Dubsado questionnaires. So let's get started. So you'll see on the screen here, I have an example questionnaire pulled up. Obviously yours would have a lot more detail, but this is good enough for the purposes of this training. So most people would automatically assume that you would pull over an image block, but the proper way to do it would be to actually add a code block to your form and then navigate to jiffy.com and find the GIF that you want to use in your form. And so I've pulled up one of The Office. You can't go wrong with The Office. We're going to navigate over to this portion here on the right hand side where it says embed. We're going to click on that and you'll see the code down in the bottom. So we're just going to copy this code, head back to Dubsado, go into the code block, and we're just going to overwrite everything that is inside here. So when we close this and we have a look at the questionnaire, we'll notice that the GIF is on the left-hand side of the screen and we want to center that. So all you do is you go in here to the top of the code that you've just inserted. We're going to press enter twice just to keep it clean and organized. And I am going to type the word center in American form. I'm Canadian, so I was trying to type it the Canadian spelling and it wasn't working for me. I had to do this video again, but so the top one is open and the bottom one tells the computer program that it's closed. This little / here, this closes the code. So that's all you do to center it on the screen, and you can do that the same thing with images and things like that. So we're just going to close that and we'll see that it's in the center on our questionnaire. We're going to save and then we're going to go ahead and preview. Now if it pops up overwrite, you just with this error here, you just hit overwrite. Because I saved it twice, that's why I did that. So you'll see this is essentially what our questionnaire is going to look like to our client. So if you're a fun-loving, lighthearted business, your personality is very humor-based, then this would be a fun thing for you. So I hope this added a little bit of lighthearted fun in your day, and we'll talk to you soon.